Welcome. I, Abhinav Negi, welcome you all on India's largest live learning platform, that is Gradeup. My dear friends, from 1 or 2 days you are listening current news about railway, that is the restructuring of railway. So our session around 10 to 20 minutes today will be about what is that news, how is that going to affect us, what will be the new exam pattern, and what are the changes, what are the disadvantages, and what are the advantages of that change. Okay. So our small video of 10 to 15 minutes will be on that. Yes, many of you have joined us. Yes, good morning, good evening, Pratap, how are you? Okay, you can see this session on YouTube and Gradeup app both. Okay, this is my brief introduction. So the topic is restructuring of Indian Railways. So what is that restructuring? The questions in our mind is, what is restructuring, why it is done, what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages, what is the new recruitment procedure, and how it is going to affect us, how it is going to affect the students. That are the doubts that we are having. Okay. Hi Pratap, Jagdish, good evening. Yes, many of you are asking the question that sir, how it is going to change completely, recruitment process is changed completely, what is it? Please listen to my session. That will be a small session of 10 to 15 minutes. After that, whatever doubts you are having right now, instead of typing them, just listen for me for 10 to 15 minutes. You will able to get those doubts automatically, because many of you have asked us doubt on our Gradeup app and our community about these. So based on these doubts, our session is basically according to that only. So see here. So what are the basic questions we are having or we are getting from you? That what is it, why it is happened, what are advantages, what are disadvantages, what will be the new procedure, how it is going to affect us, like that. Okay, my friends, on 24th December, Railway has announced that a railway is merging its 8 Group A posts. And my friends, first of all, see, whatever I am telling you in this session, this is based on railway press release, and our Gradeup team is continuously talking with some railway officials. Based on that press release and based on that conversation, I am presenting you the information what we have. Okay, so on 24th December, Railway and Cabinet has announced that they are merging 8 Group A posts, and Parivartan Sangoshti meeting on 7th and 8th December was held in New Delhi, and in that they have decided that they are merging these 8 posts. Okay, what are those 8 posts? Since there are 3 from civil service exam and 5 from engineering service exam. What are those 3? Indian Railway Traffic Service, that was earlier recruited by Central Civil Service Exam, Indian Railway Personal Service, Indian Railway Account Service. These 3 services are earlier recruited through Civil Service Exam, and there are 5 technicals. Of course, you can say them non-technical, and those 5 technicals were conducted by Engineering Service Exam, and those are Indian Railway Service of Engineering, this is for civil. In railway, engineering means civil. Indian Railway Service for Engineering, Indian Railway Service for Mechanical Engineering, that is for mechanical. Indian Railway Service for Electrical Engineering, that is for electrical. Indian Railway Service for Signal Engineering, that is for electronics and communication. And Indian Railway Store Service, that is open to all engineers. Okay, I'm again telling my friends, there are 8 Group A posts that are merging. What are those 8 posts? 3 are recruited by Civil Service Exam, Indian Railway Traffic Service, Indian Railway Personal Service, and Indian Railway Account Services. And 5 are from ESE, Indian Railway Service of Engineering, that is for civil, Indian Railway Service for mechanical engineering, Indian Railway Service for electrical, Indian Railway Service for signal engineering, and Indian Railway Store, that is open for all branches engineer. These 8 posts is now merging in one post. These 8 posts, my friends, are now merging in one post, and that is my friends, that post is IRMS, Indian Railway Management Service. My friend, that is Indian Railway Management Service. Listen one point. Earlier there was IRMS, means Indian Railway Medical Service. Earlier IRMS was Indian Railway Medical Service. But so there was no confusion that Indian Railway Medical Services, now the name has changed to IRHS, Indian Railway Health Service. Now Indian Railway Management Service will be merging all these 3, all these 8, and all these 8 services are under a single category, that is Indian Railway Management Service. Now what is that? What will be the exam procedure? What are the effects? That I am going to tell you. First of all, there were these committees. These are the name of committees that are regularly proposing to railway that for better functioning and for better safety and better speed and better structure for railway, please merge all these 8 departments. These committees are already continuously saying these from so many years. But earlier the government has not taken the step, but now Shri Narendra Modi ji has taken this concrete step to merge all these services into a single service, that is Indian Railway Management Service. Okay. Now my friends, why unification? Unification means merging of all these services. And why end of departmentalism? Listen my friends, I am using the same words that Indian Railway has used in its press release. Okay. My friends, in next 12 years, Railway is going to invest 50 lakh crore rupees. And from last so many years, Railway is continuously in loss. So, these committees that I have told you, these committees have given some points, some opinions to Railway Board that to merge all these 8 departments into a single service, that is IRMS. Okay. Why this? Why this is done? Why end of departmentalism? Because for smooth functioning, for fast decision making, for promoting rational decision, for good coordination. And earlier there were these departments, and my friends, every department has its own process. Suppose something is recruited by the civil, electrical is not recruiting that. So some decisions are taken by one department and another department is not approving them. So there is contradiction between these departments, contradiction, and even between these departments, various engineering departments. So the various projects that are finalized by one department and other department is not finalizing them because there are contradiction between inner department. So they have ended the departmentalism, and all services will come under Indian Railway Management Service, that is a single. Okay, now there will be not 8 Group A posts, but they will all come under a single cadre, that is IRMS. So since now they will work for a single department, so there will be no lack of coordination and railway will smoothly run. Of course, the safety is prime concern. There will be good coordination, there will be fast decision making, and my friends, they will promote rational decision. Okay. So earlier the structure is also a little bit changed, my friends. Earlier they were having in railway board a chairman and 8 members, but my friends, now they are having a chairman and it is also named, they have named it CEO, and there were 4 members of financial member, one is rolling member, one is infrastructure member, and one is operational and business member. Okay, instead of these 4 members, there is an independent 5th member who will be having 30 plus experience in some private sector, 30 plus experience in economics or in management background. So he will be also a member of along with these 4 members. Okay, my friends, so till now what we have seen that the 8 group A posts, the 3 were under CSE, that is civil services, and 5 from engineering services. They all are merging into a single, that is IRMS, Indian Railway Management Service. Okay, so why this is done? We have all known that it is for smooth functioning, so better coordination. 8 departments, every department his own, अब सबकी अपनी अलग एक राय थी, उनके बीच में अच्छे से तालमेल नहीं था, तो अब एक ही डिपार्टमेंट के अंदर they will work, so there will be a better coordination. Okay, now these earlier there were 8 members, now there are 4 members plus 1 from private sector who is having 30 plus year experience. Okay, now what are the advantages and disadvantages of this? These 8 posts, these 8 group A posts, 3 from civil engineering exam and 5 from engineering service exam are merged into one, that is IRMS, Indian Railway Management Service. What is the advantage and disadvantage, my friend? Of course, advantage is that now there is a single category, so the coordination will be good. But if most of you are not that much concerned about the departmental things, but you are asking, that many of you are having doubt, that I can see that, so what will be the procedure of exam? I am going to tell you also that. My friend, what are the advantages? My friends, earlier the 8 group A post that I have told you earlier, these 3 are from civil services and these 5 from engineering services. Earlier, my friends, these are also you called as technocrats or bureaucrats. Earlier, my friends, in higher or for promotion or in higher level, generally people from civil engineering, those who have cleared civil engineering exam, are generally nominated. But now all 8 categories will have equal opportunity. They all come under the same category, that is IRMS. So all those are coming under same categories, so they are having equal opportunity. So all of them, either he is from technical background or he is from non-technical background, he can go up to a good. All will be having same promotional values or same promotional chances. Okay, and in the other hand, if I see disadvantages will be that if you are preparing for engineering services, now there might be some other exam, so pattern might be something different. Okay, now my friends, effect on students. So the most of you are asking or asked us that, sir, is engineering services is going to stop? No, my friends, the engineering service exam ESE is not going to stop 100%, because ESE is not only recruiting for railway, but they are recruiting for many other departments like defense services, that is MES, central services like CPWD or naval services or Central Water Commission, or many other departments, National Highway Authority, many departments. So all those departments will work normally, they will recruit from engineering services only. But only railway, they will conduct their own exam, and that not too from the next year. So my friends, whoever is giving exam for the next year, there will be no change in pattern. ESE 2020 will be same. In fact, railway is also in that only. So for the next year, there is no change. So all of you who are working, who are studying for the next year 2020 engineering services, there is no change for them. This change will be implemented from 2021, and from 2021 ESE will be there for other departments. Only railway will not be from engineering services. Railway will have its own exam. It might be having some other exam, or it might be having it might happen that they are recruiting some technical post from ESE and some non-technical post from civil services, and after getting those students they are combinedly calling them and combinedly taking them to the same category, that is Indian Railway Management Service. That is not clear till now, but for next year 2020 there is no change, my friends. Everything will be same. Okay, so this is our green card. By accessing it, you can access every mock test or every exam unlimited number of times. Okay, so my friends, I hope your doubts are clear. What we are having doubts from you till from morning. So prep smart, score better, go Gradeup. Thank you.